Hello you all, I'm doing a review and I'm doing a review of the Creme of Nature Sweet Mandarin and Lemongrass Nourishing Body Lotion. I purchased this at my local beauty supply. I saw it there. It's a small bottle, but I said it's probably good and I wanted to try it because in the winter our skin is just so dry and it can get ashy. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I feel about this lotion. I'm going to put a little bit on. Now I like how it makes your skin nice and smooth. But what I'm not liking is the smell. It works very well. Look how it did on my hands. So it looks like it keeps your skin from being ashy, but I'm not pleased with the smell. It says nourish and replenish your skin with essential moisture. This hydrating body lotion is delicately scented with the blend of sweet mandarin and lemongrass fragrance. It absorbs quickly and soothes dry skin, leaving a soft, silky feel. Now, it does leave a nice, soft, silky feel to it. But I think the lemongrass is making it smell like medicine. It has a medicinal smell to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try another fragrance, because the lotion itself, it works just the way they say it does. See? And usually, as you all probably know, I have ashy elbows, so I need something to really moisturize my skin very well. But I'm going to give this a 6. That's what I'm going to rate this as, a 6, because it is nice and moisturizing. But Creme of Nature, you guys have to come up with a different scent to this, because no one is going to walk around smelling like medicine. So again, this is what the bottle looks like. And if you want to try it, just smell it first, because maybe this scent I don't like, but yeah, I can't get used to it. And I do think it's the lemongrass, because the mandarin oranges, I can't see where that would have a funny smell. So it's the lemongrass. So you guys at Creme of Nature, you need to come up with another scent. Other than that, it's a good product. It works as it said that it does, and this is just my opinion. And if you try it, I suggest maybe get the smaller sizes. I think they have smaller sizes like this at the beauty supply, if I'm not mistaken. And this bottle here is 0.45 ounces. That's what the size of this bottle. So I'm glad I didn't get a bigger one, because I'm not pleased with the smell. Now I'm going to finish it up, and that's going to be the end of it. So that is my review. I will talk to you all later. Bye.